Hello guys, I want to share with you my earnings on DZ4Invest.com website. As you see, in this month I earned $17. I was earning almost $100 every month. As you see, I'm using this website for a year now. Some months have a negative earning, but in total I was in profit. Let's check my balance. My total deposit is $6,800. Total withdraw money is $3,400. My balance now is $4,400. Let's calculate my profit. My total earning is $1,000. That's 20% of my total deposit for a year. Check out this website, DZ4Invest.com. As you see, all statistics are available in the home page. Everything is clear and public. For more information, contact the DZ4Gym Facebook page. Thank you for watching. I hope you're using this website.